So she thought this was either coffee or soda. I'm thinking coffee. So I treated it, and we'll see. Some proxy spray and walk away. I don't have any 20 volume peroxide. It was hard to find some nowadays, but I did find some through Sally's. So if anybody's looking, go to Sally's website, and they said I ordered it. So we'll see if it shows up. But that's usually my go-to on stands like that. Other than that, this carpet is in good condition. There is an odor in this room, but she thinks it's coming from the bottom down there. Smells like cat litter. So I did offer the deodorizer, but she denied it, or she declined on that. She says she wants to get rid of the smell underneath there first, and I understand that. So using carpet detail on the rest of this house. I'm gonna do hot water extraction. She did wonder if I did do low moisture, but the house has been sitting here for a long time, and we do have that smell. So I went ahead and went with the hot water extraction process this time. So, all right. Small house, 4 areas. Easy cleaning. I just hope those stains come up. Already did a thorough vacuum first thing. So as you can tell, it looks like the stains are disappearing. Got a little paint right there. I'll get some POG for that. I did right here next to the door, because you know when you're walking your way out, it's hard to get around the corner. So I always do that, and I do behind the door. Right? That way I don't have to reach around anything. I can just work my way out. And then I'm gonna do the closets, and then I'll work my way out. Alright guys, really easy job. Customer was super happy, but she was one of those customers that you knew was going to be very particular about everything. When she first called me, she said she really wasn't wanting steam cleaning because last time she had it done, it took like 24 hours to get done. And I just had to tell her, there's carpet cleaners and there's carpet cleaning specialists, and she called a carpet cleaning specialist. And I told her there's little factors, that go with being a quality carpet cleaner. One of them being PSI, one of them being doing dry strokes. So I kind of let her know, I'll clean her carpets at the proper PSI, do dry strokes, and it should be dry within 3 to 5 hours. She was like, oh wow, okay. But I also told her before I showed up that I would look at the carpet and see whether or not, because she was wanting me to do a little moisture, which I have no problem, and I could have did it, but being it did have that smell, I just felt more comfortable with hot water extraction today, and being it's been vacant for so long, and we did have those stains there, I just really wanted to rinse it out. So no knocking on VLN or anything, guys. I'm not tribal. Everybody knows that who watched my videos, but yeah, so job came out well. She definitely wants to use me again on her other rental properties, and she wants to let people know about me because she was really happy, and that's what it's all about. She doesn't leave reviews, she says, because when I press finish on my job, it sends her lets her know I'm finished, and plus gives her an option to give me a review. Well, she's seen that. She said, well, I never give reviews. What I do is like I actually just let the contractor know how well I like this job, and then if I like him, I'll hire him over and over again, and I'll tell everybody about it. And I said, a repeat customer is better than any review. So yeah, really nice lady. She liked me, and that's what matters. So that's it for this job. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you in the next.